Today we're going to talk about extending quaternions. Quaternions are truly mind-bending. Fortunately, Unity has done most of the work for us. As always, need always seems to exceed supply. The Askowl.Quaternion class adds a few extension methods with useful additions. First, we'll create a couple of quaternions to work on. Rotate quaternions around an axis by a specified number of degrees and then normalise. This is the same as the built-in AngleAxis, but it's considerably more readable. Inverse reverses the rotation component of a quaternion. It uses the built-in inverse but allows for chaining. This example returns the original quaternion. The concept of length and magnitude for a quaternion has no visual representation when dealing with attitude or rotation. The catch is that most algorithms require unit quaternions, but the length squared will approach 1. This normalise is faster while maintaining an accuracy for a dot product of 0.9995 or better. The iOS gyro is right-handed, while Unity is left-handed, so change the chirality around the selected axis. Repeating it twice will return to the original value. Multiplying quaternions may make sense to mathematicians, but for the rest of us, rotate by is clearer. One person's left is another person's up. More importantly, the gyroscope on the phone sees forward as the z-axis, while Unity likes to use the y-axis for that. This function also changes the chirality, the handedness.